Hi everybody, this is Armida from Divine Growth Coaching, and I am back with another video for our Wednesday Wisdom series. As you guys are aware by now, this whole month has been all about self-love, self-acceptance, and self-care. Continuing on the topic of the month, today I wanted to talk about another different tip and tool that you can incorporate into your daily life to practice self-love. And I know this is something you're gonna be like, I've heard this before, but it's affirmations. You cannot deny the power of affirmations. Affirmations change your state of being. They create this beautiful positive environment inside of you. If you're using positive affirmations, most of the time we're focusing on the negative. I'm not enough, I'm not worthy, all these negative emotions, like thoughts and words that we sometimes say to ourselves. So let's shift that into something positive by being mindful of affirmations and saying them at least once or twice a day. I say morning and night if possible. Make a list of your favorite affirmations or a list of the emotions and feelings that you want to evoke within yourself. So I would say, like, for me, my favorite affirmations were I am enough, I am worthy, I am deserving, I am magnetic, I am beautiful, I am kind, I am given, I am loving, I am sexy, and really feel them, right? Because feeling is what brings things to life. So when you're saying these affirmations to yourself, make sure there's emotion, that you're just not reciting them just to say them, because then if you do that, if you don't feel them, they're not getting embedded into your nervous system and they're not going to make a difference. So the power lies in the emotion that you put behind the affirmation. A quick way for you to tune into yourself, and I've said this before, heart space. This is where the magic happens. Tune into your heart space, really ground yourself, and say your emotions with power, because that's what you are. You're a powerful being, and you just need to start to creating that powerful life and self-esteem and self-love about yourself that you deserve. So say these emotions, say them morning and night. Take a few minutes to read them. Another quick thing you can do with affirmations is look at yourself in the mirror as you are reciting them. There's a power to looking at yourself in your eyes and saying these affirmations to yourself. So if you want to try something different, that's another way you can do them. You can do them in the shower, you can do them while you're driving. You can literally do affirmations anywhere. You can walk around the supermarkets, reciting them in your head. Just make sure you stay aware and focused, and that you evoke the feelings and emotions that you want to feel about yourself. So again, here's a quick tip and tool that you can incorporate into your routine for self-love and self-care. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked it, please hit the like button. If you want to leave any comments, any feedback about the video, please do so. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now, as I come out with weekly videos to give you tips and tools that you can incorporate into your life to live a happier and healthier life. Well, thank you for being here. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I love being here with you, and I'll see you guys all next week. Take care. Bye.